This is why you got put out of my room. You are so loud, I can hear you all the way back there in my room. That's why you got a cage and you are out of my room.